Have you ever been coding late at night, thinking you're just one step away from finishing and then, bam, your code crashes? Frustrating, right? Today, I'm going to show you how I fixed a code crash just 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newbie, this hack will save your day, I promise. Stay tuned. Alright, let's dive into the details. Imagine this, it's 2 AM, you're on your last sprint, and you just want to wrap up. You compile your code and it crashes. No error messages, no warnings, nada. Sounds familiar? This happened to me last week. Here's exactly what I did. First, I took a deep breath. Panic gets you nowhere, right? Then, I used the undo feature. I hit Ctrl+Z to step back through my recent changes. Often, your last changes are what caused the issue. After undoing a few lines, I tried to compile again, and it still crashed. Next step, comment out. I began to comment out the most recent portions of the code to isolate the error. Bit by bit, I narrowed it down to a specific block. Once I identified the problematic section, I looked closely. And there it was, a simple typo in a variable name. Can you believe it? I corrected the typo, saved the file, and voila! The code ran perfectly. This might seem too simple, but it's often the little things that cause the biggest headaches. Let me give you another quick tip. Always use version control like Git. It's a lifesaver for going back to a previous state when everything was fine. Also, tools like debuggers or even print statements can be extremely helpful in tracing back the steps your program is taking. Don't underestimate the power of a fresh pair of eyes. Sometimes, just walking through your code with a friend or colleague can help spot the issue. So, next time your code crashes at the last minute, remember these steps. Take a deep breath, step back, isolate, and simplify. I hope this video helps you spend less time debugging and more time doing what you love. If you still encounter issues, contact us on our website, geekprogrammingandesign.odoo.com. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really supports the channel and helps me bring more of these tips to you. Have your own tricks for fixing code crashes? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future tech tips. That's all for today. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.